Alright, if we want to solve a matrix using the TI-36x Pro, this is the matrix that I'm going to be solving here, and this is the augmented matrix. So this, remember, each of these lines stands for, represents an equation. This first equation says 0x plus 1y plus 2z equals 3, and this one says what, negative 2x minus 6y minus 10z equals negative 12. This one says 2x plus y minus 2z equals negative 5. So, if we want to solve this particular system of equations on this calculator, how we're going to do that, I'll go ahead and turn it on. We're going to use something called a sys solver on this calculator. I know it does have a matrix menu, and you can do stuff in here with that. So let me just show you that really quick. If you go into the matrix area here, I pressed second and then this key, you can edit these individual matrices. You can see these are the different tabs: names, math, and edit. If I want to edit this matrix, I can first select how big it is. So if I wanted to go with a 2 by 2, number of rows by number of columns, I could do that, and then set in some values there. And it is entirely possible to use that, but this calculator actually has something specifically designed for solving systems. It's the sys solver right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press second, oh, there we go, and then this key to get into the sys solver. And I'm going to tell it this is a 3 by 3. In other words, what I mean by 3 by 3 there, or what it means rather, is 3 equations and 3 unknowns. This one up here is 2 equations with 2 unknowns. This one's 3 by 3. So you can see when I pressed enter there, it brings me into an area where I can put in an augmented matrix. So I'm just going to put that matrix right there. So we get 0, enter, 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter, and just go through the whole matrix like this. Negative 2, negative 6, negative 10, negative 12, 2, 1, negative 2, negative 5. At this point I'll hit solve, and look at that, it actually just spits out the solution for me. X equals negative 2, y equals 1, z equals 1. So what I would say here, x equals negative 2, y equals 1, z equals 1. Oftentimes this would be referred to as the point negative 2, 1, 1. That's one way to write it. But if we're just solving a quick system of equations, that's how we would do it there with this calculator.